Tens of thousands of vintage tailor scissors, their steel blades heavily rusted.
Moving deeper into the facility, the instruments approach the automated washing section. The equipment is installed, though the cleaning process has not yet commenced. Drains back into the tank as the drum releases the scissors onto a heavy-duty conveyor belt, carrying them toward the shredding machine.
The conveyor lifts the steel fragments, feeding them into the massive charging hopper positioned above the furnace, which glows with intense orange heat.
Using precision hydraulics, the furnace pours over 300 tons of liquid steel, a fully automated spectacle of raw industrial power.
Emerging from the mold, the glowing red-hot steel billet is gripped by massive industrial rollers. High-pressure water instantly cools the surface, creating a shroud of steam.
The secondary cooling section utilizes high-pressure water jets to rapidly quench the steel, generating massive plumes of steam as the billet speeds toward the cutting station. The forged steel blanks transfer from cooling directly onto the precision roller conveyor, heading into the CNC machining department. The forged parts immediately enter the quenching tank, rapidly cooling the steel in the circulating oil. Large rotating polishing wheels and abrasive finishing belts remove oxidation, scale, and machining marks while creating a smooth metallic finish. Utilizing synchronized conveyors, the robotic system aligns the halves while an automatic hydraulic press inserts the steel pivot pin. Robotic arms place each scissor half onto a precision grinding machine. The automated process ensures every blade leaves with a perfect...
Robotic arms place the scissor halves onto the conveyor, where abrasive belts remove imperfections, producing a bright satin finish.
Laser systems check every blade for dimensional accuracy. Any rejected units are diverted, their steel destined for the recycled knife production line.
Powerful gas burners maintain the precisely controlled hardening temperature, while digital sensors continuously monitor every section of the furnace. The sharpened, recycled steel blades move continuously on a heat-resistant mesh conveyor into the long, automated heat treatment furnace. Continuing from the polishing station, synchronized conveyors bring the blades to the robotic assembly line, where hydraulic presses rapidly secure the handles with rivets.